Hey, so if you're having problems with your Samsung phone performance, I think I found one of the ways to help you out with One UI 7. It's called Wipe Cache Partition. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, we'll have to turn off the phone, power off, and then when we turn back on, we should be holding the up volume and the power button. It will bring recovery mode. Here we have a few options. It is reboot the system, and what we wanted to do, we go down with the volume button to wipe cache partition. So the cache partition stores temporary files and data that the phone uses for quick access to frequently used information. Wiping the cache partition can help clear out any corrupted or outdated files that might be causing your phone to lag, freeze, or have other performance problems. And it is actually often recommended to do it after a major software update, especially if you're experiencing issues. Here with the power button, we're going to go and click in and wipe cache. Yes. We can see here at the bottom that it says it was completed. Now we want to reboot the phone. So what are the benefits? Clearing the cache can improve your performance, resolve app issues, and help stabilize your device after updates or when experiencing problems. So there you have it. After the phone is rebooted, it is wiped the cache and we are good to go. Awesome. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.